Hi girls, I'm going to go through with you now the Kenny and Cartman example. So part A asks you to calculate Cartman's momentum. For those of you that don't know anything about South Park, Cartman is the fat guy and Kenny's the skinny one. So part A, we need to find Cartman's momentum, and we know that Cartman, let's just write that down here, Cartman has a mass of 60 kilograms and has a velocity of 2 meters per second. Okay, now Cartman is running in this direction, and so the velocity is positive. That's going to be important later. So Cartman's momentum is m times v, nice and easy, 60 times 2, which is 120. Now the units are kilogram meters per second, and that's because mass and velocity are just multiplied together. So that's your answer to A. So in B, we have to work out Kenny's momentum. Now Kenny is running in this direction, and just like on a number line, that is the negative direction. So this time our velocity is going to be negative. So Kenny has a mass of 40 kilograms and is traveling at minus 4 meters per second. So Kenny's momentum is 40 times negative 4, which is negative 160 kilogram meters per second. Okay. Part C, what is their total momentum? When they are running towards each other, so we just add those together. Add momentums together. So we get 120 plus minus 160. So that gives us minus 40 kilogram meters per second. Okay. And then part D says, what would their total momentum be if they were running in the same direction? Sorry, I'm just going to go back to C here because the question is asking for size and direction. So by saying minus 40, another way of writing that is 40 kilogram meters per second, and it would be going to the left because that's the negative direction. Okay, for D, if Kenny was running in the same direction, Kenny's momentum would be positive 160 kilogram meters per second. So the total would be the 120 plus 160, which is positive 280 kilogram meters per second, or 280 kilogram meters per second to the right. So I hope you managed to follow that, and I hope that wasn't too tricky. All the best, girls, for your turn now.